So, hi everybody, welcome to the study session of this channel. This is the first long video of this channel. So, in this video, we are going to know about the wastelands of India. This is the purpose of UPSC Indian Forestry book, UPSC Indian Forest Service exam, Indian Forestry book. So, what is the wastelands? Wastelands is that land which is presently laying unutilized or which is not being used to its optimum potential due to some constraints. Okay, simply wastelands are the lands that are not used either for agriculture, pasture, or forestry. These lands remain as barren for a long time as it is less productive. The utilization of these lands needs more capital. In recent times, the wastelands are increasing rapidly due to increasing pollution, changing climate, increasing population, faulty land use system, etc. The increasing population necessitates to increase the food production from the limited land available. In one way, the land productivity is decreases due to pollution, climate, and population pressures. In other ways, the land availability to agriculture is also decreases due to urbanization process. Now it is inevitable to use the every bit of land available for the benefit of humankind. Considering this, wastelands are getting more importance nowadays. Many technologies are generated for the optimum utilization of wastelands through suitable reclamation measures. In India, wastelands are available in large area. The extent of different wastelands in India are given below. There is a list in this book, in this chapter of silviculture, silviculture chapter, page 52. You can see there is a distribution of wastelands in India. There is a list, and there you can see that there is 4 points like area subjected to water and wind erosion, then flood prone area, total drought prone area. This is the wastelands. There is a type some under this area degraded through special problems. Here you can see the waterlogged alkali soil, saline soil, acid soil, ravines and gullies, shifting cultivation, riverine and torrents. There is a this type of. Now, what is the cause of this wastelands? Neglected tillage practices, then extensive deforestation of forests without afforestation measures, inadequate protection of field burns, drains and gullies, intensive farming, shifting cultivation in forest lands, lack of soil conservation measures, then destruction of forest, mining and industrial waste disposal, excessive irrigation in clay soils and faulty irrigation management, lack of sufficient rainfall, soil constraints such as low depth salinity, acidity, etc., overgrazing and browsing, increased soil erosion, neglect of management practices, surface of rockiness. Then now come now we are going to read about the classification of wastelands. So National Wasteland Development Board NWDB classifies wastelands in two categories. One is cultivable wasteland and other is uncultivable wastelands. So in cultivable wastelands ki, what that means we can after few processing we can do agriculture in those place, or we can do plantation. So this is gullied and ravenous lands. There is a 10 type here: gullied and ravenous lands, undulating land without shrubs, waterlogged land, salt affected land, shifting cultivation area, degraded forest land, degraded pasture grazing lands, stripe lands, and sand dunes, mining or industrial wastelands. And in case of uncultivable land, there is a barren rocky or stony or stripes of rocky area, steep slopy area, snow covered or glacial lands. Um, so now what is the need of this management to increase suitable or favorable environmental conditions for vegetation development, to reduce soil erosion, to reduce diurnal variation of temperature, to increase relative humidity in the region, to reduce carbon dioxide concentration in atmosphere, to reduce pollution hazards in environment, to increase the productivity of the land, to reduce noise level in surroundings. These are the reasons why we need to do management of the wastelands. Then approaches for wasteland management. There is a management practices, re-establishment of vegetation, soil water conservation measure, reclamation of problematic soil like saline and acidic soil, etc. Prevent the overgrazing and illegal theft. Use energy efficient system to reduce pressure on wastelands like gasifier, biogas, gobar gas, solar cookers. The commercial funding agencies should be involved for requisite financial inputs for afforestation and reclamation works. All degraded forest lands were made available for reforestation program through local villagers and NGOs. Government makes suitable policy measures for wasteland afforestation and improvements. Afforestation programs planned suitably by considering soil, climate, and suitable species. Now there should be some characteristics of the trees we are using in afforestation program. So how we will select the trees, selection of tree species, how we select the species for wasteland afforestation. There's some characteristics, so we should follow that, like adaptation, adaptable to the local climate and local condition where we are going to plant them. Fast growing species, short gestation period, um, good copying ability, multiple in use, higher demand and better commercial value, low cost of initial establishment, ability to improve the soil and fix atmospheric nitrogen, easy management and protection. So now we should know some name of some the species that which we will going to use in afforestation program. So here the list, like if the wasteland type, there is a wasteland, if the wasteland type is in marsh area, then acacia auriculiformis we can use, or bamboo. Then if the area is sand area, then we can use dalbergia sisho. Then if the area is acid soil, then we can use uh, Alanthus altissima, Albizia procera, etc. If the area is alkaline soils, then Acacia nilotica, Tamarindus indica, Prosopis juliflora. Then if the area is saline soil, then Acacia nilotica, Acacia catechu, etc. Dry clay soil, Acacia nilotica. Then if the area is a high altitude area, then Acacia Mearnsea. Then dry area acacia, different type of acacia species, Prosopis juliflora, etc. So this is all about wastelands management, about wastelands in India, and how we can manage them, how we can approach the wasteland management, which species we can use in afforestation program, and what is the classification of wastelands. We read about those things in this uh, video. So see you in the next video of study. Till then, stay tuned and do subscribe to this new, absolutely new channel. So though the video quality is very poor. Thank you. Ta-da.